ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयो अस्ति अभ्यासचतुःपञ्चाशत् एकनिमिषः 54। It is taking a little time to open. Okay, anyway, if somebody has the book,
we have our own books opened.
अस्तु। आभाजी कृपया पठतु। क शब्दानि।
अभ्यास 54 आम्रः आम mango, it is also called rasalah. दाडिमः अनार pomegranate, पनसः कटहल, I think jackfruit, जम्बीरः नींबू lemon, उदुम्बरः गूलर, I don't know the English name.
Gular is this fig.
Anjeer.
The fig from where that wasp comes, right? Fig wasp. There are two types of figs. Jo people we fig is actually fig, the next one, Ashwatha. And this one is the one with the insect.
Ashwatha, people.
And one ekanamisha for Ashwatha, we can say Ashwatha. What is there today, but not Shwa, not tomorrow. This is Ashwatha.
Okay. Ashwatha. Okay. Is negating.
Correct. Which samasa? Ne samasa. Akara will come to give opposite. Ashwatha. Astu. Agre.
Ashwatha, people. Nimbah, neem. Again, don't know.
Neem.
What is it?
Neem only.
English में होगा neem ना, कोई नाम नहीं है उसका. Neem. Okay. Pugah, supari. Betel nut, I think it is called. Bilbah, बेल. जो बेल पत्री जो शिव जी को चढ़ती है वो. वातादह, बादाम, almond. द्राक्षा, अंगूर, grapes. बदरी, बेर, gooseberry. कदली, केला, banana. Kadali phalam kela. So first one is kacha kela. This one is ripe, I think. Kadali phalam.
No, so the difference is kadali is the tree and kadali phalam is the fruit. So till here they have given all trees. Today there is both vriksha and phala. Amraha, rasalaha, dadimaha, panasaha. These are all fruit. But here that kadali vriksha and kadali phalam phalam. Amraha actually is vriksha. They are going to explain that also later, I think. Astu, agree.
Narikela phalam, nariyal, coconut. Seva phalam, save, apple. Naranga phalam, नारंगी, संतरा, ऑरेंज.
All these we get in this puja, right? Kadali palam samarpayami, narikela palam nivedayami, etc. Right. Then amralam.
नारंग फलम, ऑरेंज. आम्रलम, दृढ़ बीजम, अमरूद, ग्वावा.
ग्वावा, सम्यक्. भवति एव. ख धातवः. धातु.
तन. ख तन मतलब फैलना, स्प्रेड.
ये है तनु विस्तारे धातु. दिस इज अ प्रीटी कॉमन धातु. तनु विस्तारे. अग्रे. ग.
तूष्णिम, चुप. टू बी क्वाइट. चुप. तूष्णिम बभूव, भगवद गीता में अर्जुन आस्क्स हिज क्वेश्चंस एंड ही वाज क्वाइट, अलाउड कृष्ण टू रिस्पॉन्ड. करेक्ट. उक्त्वा तूष्णीम बभूवः.
अग्रे.
अकस्मात, अचानक, suddenly, all of a sudden. नित्यम, नित्य, always. शीघ्रम, शीघ्र, quickly, fast. पश्चात, बाद में, later.
सम्यक्. So here in this nityam sometimes avyaya asti, visheshana api asti. Both उभयोः नित्यम एव. सूचना. आम्र वाताल, आम्र से वाताल जो है, वातादः बादाम. वृक्ष अर्थ में रामवत, फल अर्थ में गृहवत. वृक्ष अर्थ पुल्लिंग, रामवत राम पुल्लिंग, गृह नपुंसकलिंग. यदि पुल्लिंग शब्दो अस्ति तर्हि वृक्ष. यदि नपुंसकलिंगो अस्ति शब्दो अस्ति तर्हि फल. सो सेम फॉर कदली, कदली फलम also. Like that, amraha and amram they'll give नीचे. Anyway, we'll see that. तन धातु के दोनों पदों के दसों लकार के पूरे स्मरण करो. इसके पहले सूचना. आम्र आदि शब्द वृक्षवाचक होने पर पुल्लिंग होते हैं. फलवाचक होने पर नपुंसकलिंग. अंत में फलम लगाकर फलवाचक बनाते हैं. जैसे आम्र, आम्र आम का पेड़. आम्रम या आम्रफलम. आम्रफलम बोलने का जरूरत नहीं. आम्रम ऑल्सो इज इनफ टू टॉक अबाउट फल, फ्रूट. एंड आम्रहा इज पेड़, वृक्ष. अस्तु. अग्रे तन धातु. तन धातु तनु विस्तारे 58. कौन सी पृष्ठ है?
Page 181.
181.
No, 180, 180.
180. सम्यक. सत्य. अस्तु. तनादिगण. तन फैलाना, फैलाना टू स्प्रेड और एक्सपैंड एटसेट्रा. उभयपदी धातु अस्ति. सुंदर जी भावानि कृपया पठतु. परस्मैपद लट् और आत्मनेपद उभयोः लट् लोट्.
So, परस्मैपद लट्. तनोति, तनुतः, तन्वन्ति. तनोषि, तनुतः, तनुतः. तनोमि, तनुवः अथवा तन्वः. तनुमः अथवा तन्मः. नोट. तनोतु, तनुतां, तन्वन्तु. तनु, तनुतं, तनुत. तनवाव, तनवाम. नो. आत्मनिपदे और
आत्मनिपद लट्.
लोट. आत्मनिपदे लट्. तनुते, तन्वाते, तन्वते. तनुषे, तन्वाथे, तनुद्वे. तन्वे, तनुमहे अथवा तन्महे. तनुमहे अथवा तन्महे. आत्मनिपद लोट. तनुतां, तन्वातां, तन्वतां. तनुष्व, तन्वाथां, तनुध्वं. तनवै, तनवामहै तनवामहै.
धन्यवादः. अग्रे एकविषयो अस्ति तनुवः तन्वः तनुमः तन्मः. And here tanuvahe tanvahe tanumahe tanmahe. To speak of this, there is a sutra. I don't know if it is a critical sutra, but it's interesting. 64107. Lopascha asya anyatarasyam voho. Lopascha anyatarasyam voho. Ma va. For these two, vakara is for dvivachanam and ma will come for bahuvachanam. For voho, there will be 64107. 6.4.107. I think we'll have to check. 64107.
That's right.
Lopaschasyan yatarasyam voho. This we have seen once before, I think. See, that's why they have given chinnadhatu, chingchayane, chinuva, chinva. In the same way, tanuva, tanva. Same thing. And this for lung also, the same rule will apply. सुंदरजी भवानी में कृपया पढ़े तो लंग विधिलिंग ऑफ बोथ परस्मै आत्मा.
So, lam. Atanot, atanutam, atanvan, atanoho, atanutam, atanutta, atanavam, atanuva, atanuma. Atanuva, atava, atanva, atanuma, atava, atanva. The same way like that. Then lam in vidile.
लंग आत्मनेपद.
Alang atmanipada. Atanuta, atanvatam, atanvata, atanutaha, atanvatam, atanudvam, atanvi, atanuvahi, atava atanvahi, and atanumahi, atava atanmahi. Continue?
Yes, please.
Tanuyat, tanuyatam, tanuyuhu, tanuyaha, tanuyatam, tanuyata, tanuyam, tanuyava, tanuyama. Atmanipade, tanvita, tanviyatam, tanviran, tanvitaha, tanviyatam, tanvidvam, tanviya, tanvivahi, tanvimahi.
Samyak. So that lang lakara also verma. Then for drit lakara tanishyati tanishyata tanishyanti they have given. Agre kim bhavishyati. Tanishyasi.
Tanishyasi, tanishyataha, tanishyasi, tanishyat. Next one will say tanishyasi, tanishyataha, tanishyata. Tanishyami, tanishyami, tanishyamaha, tanishyamaha.
Samyak. And then this is in Parasmaipada and in Atmanepada Tanishyate, Tanishyete, Tanishhyante they have given. Same as we have seen before like Sevate, Tanishyese, Tanishyethe, Tanishyadhve, Tanishye, Tanishyavahe, Tanishyama. Sevishyate, there we had seen before. I think this Tanu we have seen before, I think once, in this Abhyas, in this Pustaka itself, in this Grantha. Earlier in some Abhyasa Tanu has come.
Yeah, because that Phailana word came. So maybe it came in that, we have to check, but...
No. Anyway. Then for Lut...
Pratyayabhyasa.
Pratyayabhyasa. Which Pratyayabhyasa? In some other... I think so. Or maybe in Gana, Tanadi Gana. Because this Tanu... With that we can take Tanadi Gana Dhatus. Kopi prashna asti va?
Uvikarana happens.
Correct. Tanadibhyaha uhu. Correct. So that uvikarana, I think that abhyas.
Regarding Yes. The prashna is regarding that vikarana itself. So I see that for rit lakara, the does not figure anymore. Like tanishyati and tanishyate for both parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. That is gone. Same for the other lakaras. So is it like the vikarana is becoming inactive or something for these 4-5 lakaras?
Yeah, this we had seen that Sarva Dhatuka and Ardha Dhatuka, when we had seen lakaras in the beginning, many times this will come. So this 4, lat, lot, lang, vidhiling, many times, not only in Tan Dhatu, in other dhatus and other ganas also, those 4 will get the vikarana and the other lakaras will not. So you see, any of these will not have. Lit,
Yes.
lut, ashirling, ring, lit, lung, none of these. Only the first 4. So that's Sarva Dhatuka Lakara versus Ardha Dhatuka Lakara, that is the rule. And for Lut Lakara, they again Tanita, Tanitaro, Tanitara, and Tanita, Tanitaro, Tanitara. Ashirling, Tanyat, Tanyasam, Tanyasu, Tanini, Tanishishta, Tanishiyasam, Tanishisu. So these you can see in the first page where they have given the full forms of each lakara. There we can just compare. It will not be so different. Like Lin, Atanishyad, Atanishyatam, Atanishyan, or Atanishyata, Atanishyetam, Atanishyan in Atmanipadi. Lit lakara. Lit lakara, I think maybe we have seen somewhere in some Purana or something. Possible. Tatana, tenatuhu, tenuhu, tenitha, tenatuhu, tena, tatana, athava, tatana, teniva, tenima. And Atmanepada, tene, tenate, tenire, tenishe, tenathe, tenidhve, tene, tenivahe, tenimahe. Lung lakara. Atani, atanishtam, atanishu, atanihi, atanishtam, atanishta, atanisham, atanishva, atanishma. Parasmaipada. Atmanepada, atatat. Atata, athava, atanishta, atanishatam, atanishata. Atathaha, or atanishtaha, atanishatham, atanidham, atanishi, atanishvahi, atanishmahi. There will be common themes across the lakaras also. Just little letters here and there will differ. Agre, 54, right? Today's pratyas are very interesting. 4 pratyaya sutras will come, I think. Pratamaha ekashatam ekasaptatihi 171 tasyapatyam. Sutra number
4192.
4192 tasyapatyam. Apatya, this we have seen so many times in our classes in Vedanta. अपत्य पुत्र या पुत्री दोनों को कहते हैं. पुत्र या पुत्री को अपत्य कहते हैं. अपत्य अर्थ में शब्द के बाद प्रायः अण प्रत्यय लगता है. So the first pratyaya today is an. That is why here they have given tan dhatu apatyarthak tadhita pratyaya an. That is the main one. But there are some apavada sutras that we will see. An pratyaya. An का अ शेष रहेगा. शब्द के सर्वप्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि होती है. अर्थात अ को आ, ई को आई, उ को आओ, रु को आर, अंतिम उ को ओ. So here you see u ko au, right? This they said is vriddhi. Then why have they put antima u ko o? Should be au, right?
So it depends. पहला अगर अक्षर है तो आउ हो रहा है और अंतिमा लास्ट अक्षर है तो ओ.
Okay.
It's a different letter. Is that so?
Yeah, that is correct. But that only that's not complete in the sense. युक्ति it is not complete. सर्वप्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि होती है. So अंतिम उ को वृद्धि नहीं होगी क्या? क्या होती है? Because वृद्धि is au and o is guna, satyam. Antima U ko guna. Prathama U ko vriddhi. U ko au. This is in, if you see Abhyasa 25, there is that table, and under U, you will say O for guna and au for vriddhi. That is what's happening here. जैसे वासुदेव का पुत्र वासुदेव, व को वा हो गया, अर्थात अ को आ, दिस whatever is here, this v has become va, वृद्धि. वासुदेव कृष्ण. पांडु के पुत्र पांडवाहा, ऊ को आ, that is o. And kuru.
So this I could not understand. Pandu hai, U hai, right?
Yeah.
So U Antin hai.
Yeah.
So U will become O.
Yeah. No, so see, there is
it will be Pandu. Then how has it become Pandavaha? Pandavaha is plural. समझ में आता है, but how it got derived into this form, I couldn't understand.
Yeah, actually this does not form part of this sutra. Strictly speaking, there is a family in this apatyam artha mein, there is a full family of sutras. Pandu does not strictly fall only under Tasyapatyam sutra. So it is a little out of place. We'll see the next sutras and then we'll come back, right? So what is there is, in certain words, a different rule will apply. This Pandu Shabda is one of those. Pandu will become Pandavaha. But we'll come to that. Hanji, Prashna or comment?
I was thinking O Pando अगर बने तो O का अव होगा, like Echo Yava Yava.
Correct. But that is not that rule. Echo Yava Yava is there. But strictly speaking, it is not part of Tasyapatyam. That's the thing. There is a Vartika. Yes. There is a bunch of Vartikas on one of these sutras. I think Gargadibhyo or something. We'll see at the end of this Ditya. We'll have the point. The point is, there will be different rules, slightly different rules. So here, that is what's happening. That the Echoya Vaivaha is adding on to U and becoming Ava. That's happening. Correct.
Okay.
To O. So U becomes O and O becomes A.
Also somehow. I'm sorry. आगे के भी कुछ वैसे ही हैं, जैसे कौरवाहा.
Correct. So you can put, but Pritha is not Partha, right? Pritha there is not happening. So these two are sort of out of place. See, Pritha is like Vasudeva only. You see, Pritha Kunti ke putra Parthaha. Pritha is Kunti. Unke putra Parthaha. There.
R becoming R.
Correct. That is okay. That is exactly like Vasudeva, where A becomes A. But here these two are even these. All of these, you see, Raghu Raghavaha. So this Echoya Vaivaha is happening. You remember Echoya Vaivaha where A and I and O and Au. That will change. That is, or even A and O first we'll take. A and O will go to I and Au. That O has become Ava. So first, Antima U ko O hoga. एचो या वायाव में ओ को क्या होता है? अव. सो पांडु टू पांडो टू पांडव.
सो जब संधि कार्य होता है तो आगे का कोई और शब्द है उसका पहला अक्षर लेके होता है. दिस इज इंडिपेंडेंटली संधि कार्य हो रहा है. शब्द पे अपने आप.
पांडु के ऊ से ई ऊ और ओ, पांडो, वो हो गया पांडव.
That is Tasyapatyam.
That is the Tasyapatyam. So Tasyapatyam Sutra is not a Sandhi Sutra, but it is ushering in a Sandhi because of the Prathama and Uttara letters. That is Echavasa. Actually, we should see in this if they have given examples properly. You see, upagoho an. See, aupago plus a will become aupagava through echoya vayavaha. Iti ava adesha. They have given here, but not specified in Rachananuvada Kaumudi. But you see, Ashtadhyayi has lot of examples in fact. These are not for HOI Vaivaha, but the first one is for HOI Vaivaha. There is a full family of Apatyam, as we will see in the following sutras also. But for now, does this resolve the samshaya?
Yeah. Yes.
So Pandu ke putra, here we will use the word apatyam, not apatya. So here you see they have given apatya putraya putri, vasudevasya apatyam, not apatya. Vasudevasya apatyam, because apatyam will always be in napumsakalinga. Vasudevasya apatyam vasudevaha. Pandoho apatyam pandavaha. Koroho apatyam kauravaha. In that way. Prithayaha.
Avyai.
Ha, correct. Prithayaha apatyam parthaha. Same way, Raghu Raghavaha. Putrasya apatyam pautraha. When we do this rituals, some rituals like the Upanayanam or even weddings or even I think even Shraddham, sometimes Pautra will come, grandson. Putra ke putra, putra ka putra, pautra. Shiva ka Shivasya apatyam Shaivaha, Vishnoho apatyam Vaishnavaha. All are Pullinga Shabdas. इनके रूप राम की तरह चलेंगे. स्त्रीलिंग शब्द इफ यू वांट टू मेक ई लगाकर नदी के तुल्य. सो विष्णु वैष्णवः विल बिकम वैष्णवी, राघवी, कौरवी, etc. Raghavi and Vaishnavi maybe are more common Srilinga words than the rest of them. Pandavi, Kauravi, Vasudevi and all we don't hear that much. But Raghavi to an extent and Vaishnavi to a higher extent. They are more common. This is regarding An Pratyaya. Any questions before we go to the next Pratyaya? Okay. Ekashatam dvasaptatihi. Ata I. This is I. Ya. Cha cha ja ja nya. That nya is here. Ata I. अकारांत शब्दों से कुछ शब्दों को छोड़कर. So this is where it gets interesting. So this is why they could have put this Pandava and Kaurava, even if not as a separate niyama, at least after Partha or Vasudeva, etc. Because in the middle, Sandhikarya is working. Anyway, Ata I. अकारांत शब्दों से कुछ शब्दों को छोड़कर अपत्य अर्थ में अंत में ई प्रत्यय होता है. ई का ई शेष रहता है. शब्द के प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि, सेम एज बिफोर. हरि के तुल्य रूप चलेंगे. जैसे दशरथः, दशरथस्य अपत्यम दा, वेर वृद्धि इज हैपनिंग, एंड अंतिम प्रत्यय, अंतिम अक्षर इकार, ई प्रत्यय, ई शेष रहेगा. दाशरथी, दक्ष, दाक्षी. Actually, this Panini Maharishi is said to be Dakshi Putra. His parent was Dakshi. So I think mother must have been Dakshi. Maybe. Or father must have been, no, mother must have been Dakshi. Maybe. Sumitra ka, Sumitrayaha apatyam Saumitrihi. That is Lakshman. Because Sumitra's son, Saumitri. द्रोण का अपत्यम द्रौणी, अश्वत्थामा. कुछ शब्दों के छोड़कर, कुछ शब्दों को छोड़कर अकारांत अंत शब्द है तो. हाँ जी.
दाक्षः मतलब दक्ष का ना. पाणिनि महर्षि's father might have been Daksha, right?
Dakshi. हाँ. No, the Panini Maharishi is supposed to be Dakshi Putra. So Pani Maharishi's father must have been Dakshi. Like he is Dakshi's putra. So he must have been the Dakshi. His grandfather must have been Daksha in that way. Mother or father, we have to check. Who was Dakshi? I think it could have been mother. We have to check. So this An Pratyaya and E Pratyaya, 2 pratyas. These are the sutras. Mukhya sutras they have given. Sasyapatyam and Ata E. So if you are managing that table, both of these will go in. And then a third one for something called Ya Pratyaya. This is a very Ata E sutra number is
4195.
4195. Ata E. It is an Apavada sutra. You can take as Apavada to Tasyapatyam, which is 4192. And in the middle there is another sutra. I think that will come in the next Ditya Ditya. So the third sutra, Ekashatam Trayasaptatihi, that is 4185. Ditya 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 Patyuttara Padanyaha. This I think has come in one of our Upanishad classes at some point. This sutra was, you see how many Vartikas are there. One of these Vartikas speak of the exceptions. Why they have given, you see here, kuch shabdon ko chhodkar. So all these rules potentially are given in these Vartikas. For Ditya Ditya, Ditya Patyuttara Padanyaha. Ya Pratyaya. Like in रचनानुवाद कुछ शब्दों से आपत्ति अर्थ में अंत में य प्रत्यय लगता है. शब्द के प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि एज यूजुअल. रामवत रूप चलेंगे पुल्लिंग, जैसे दिति will get वृद्धि and it becomes दैत्य because ई को वृद्धि होगा तो आई होगा ना. So दी has become दै and yakara will get added to the antima. So दैत्य. आदित्य, अदिति के पुत्र आदित्य. प्रजापति के पुत्र प्राजापत्य. And Garga, Garga they should not be giving here. Why is there is a sutra Gargadibhyo just specifically for Gotra. That is 4193 or 4194 or something. Gargadibhyo. Sorry. This one. What is this? 41105. Gargadibhyo Yai. Yai Pratyaya. But they are given along with Ditya Ditya. It's okay. Gotra Arthame. So that is why that 4193, 4194 and all, if you see, after Tasyapatyam, the two sutras after Tasyapatyam, they refer to Gotra. Eko Gotre, Gotradyunya Sriyam and Ata-i. Between Tasyapatyam and Ata-i, these two sutras, there they could have added, anyway, they have to add somewhere. So Garga, Gargya and Vatsa, Vatsya.
But Akaji, the Gargya is also meeting the exact same rules.
It will.
Ga has become Ga.
Yeah. It is meeting the same rules. That is correct. Rules are met. But Gotra, that is this Garga, they'll say Gargya, that Gotra, Gargya, Gotra, that way. It is not, but Daitya, Aditya and all are not Gotras, right? But see, there are specific rules for Eko Gotre, Gotra, Dunya, Sriyam in that way. So you could have put them separate.
Putra Artha, Apatya Artha,
Apatya
then
only.
Gargya here is okay. If we take the Gotra Artha, then it has to belong somewhere else.
Correct. Like for example, belong somewhere else in the sense it will belong a new niyama, but the word will not change. Garga will be Gargya only. Just where they have put it. It's not ideal. It's okay. It's not horrible. But you could have introduced a new sutra, which probably they will do in more advanced texts and so on. So it is the way of thinking. Like
if there's a person called Garga, then we can still say Garge will be that person's
son.
Child, son.
Yes. Gargyaha will be the son. Yes.
Garge, yeah.
This Gargya had come, right? In Bridanyaka, one of the people were Gargya, right?
In chapter 3. No.
The one that went to, what is the name of the guy who went to the person who went to that Ajatashatru Maharaj? Gargi, I think. Tripta Balaki Gargya, if I'm not wrong. You have to check that. So that Gargya.
Correct. Balaki Gargya.
So there it is not necessary that his father was Garga. He could have been from that gotra. So to check the bhashya if something is there. Another very nice example here will be Anjanayaha Putra is Anjaneya.
Anjaneya.
A will get Vriddhi. A will become A. Anjana, Anjaneya. That example also you can give. That will give them, sorry, that is the next one, I think. Sorry, it is
that
the
is
next
another
one. Yeah,
Here it is becoming, right?
Yeah,
It's
no,
not Anjanya.
Correct. It is the next one. This Stribhyo duck, that rule. I think maybe they have not given there also, but you can add there. Anjaneya.
Just curious about the Sare Gotron ko. For all the Gotras, does that rule apply?
No. So Bharadwaja, yeah, but the thing is, it will not, the year pratyaya will not come. Jaise Bharadwaja Rishi, Bharadwaja, not Bharadwajya.
Yeah, Bharadwaj. Drona ko kehte hai Bharadwaj.
Correct. I mean, not only Drona, that most people nowadays are Bharadwaja Gotra only. So many Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samveda, many people are Bharadwaja Gotra. Because Bharadwaja is supposed to, there are some stories, Bharadwaja lived 3 lives, each life one different Veda. So some Rigvedis are also Bharadwaja Gotra, Yajurvedi Bharadwaja Gotra, Samvedi Bharadwaja Gotra. There were some folklore stories. But anyway, it will not, the same Yakara, Ditya will not apply to her. Another place where Apatyam is very common is in Kathopanishad, where Nachiketa's father is called by various names, right? Or anyway, Nachiketa.
Correct.
Uddalaka, Aruni, Auddalaki. Vajasrava is the original name. Vajasravas ke putra had become Vajasravasa. That would come, I think, in Bhashya. That is, Nachiketa's grandfather, his son became Vajasrava. Vajasravasya apatyam Vajasravaha. That is like Anpratyaya. That is like all of these. Partha, Vasudevaha. Then Auddalaki, Aruni. Arunasya apatyam Aruni. Uddalakasya apatyam Auddalaki. All those had also come. So those prayogas are there in Katha more than other Upanishads. Chaturtha niyama ekashatam chatusaptatihi. Stribhyo dhak. This dhak, it is 41120. This is the name of the number of the sutra, 41120. But it is similar to the first one. It is linked to Tasyapatyam, which I think they will say. Because it is the same as, almost the same as Tasyapatyam, but instead of this Vasudeva, what if it is Strilinga in that way? स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों से अपत्य अर्थ में अंत में आय लगता है कुछ शब्दों को छोड़कर. शब्द के प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि ऑलवेज. जैसे कुंती, सो कुंती स्त्री, सो स्त्रीभ्यो ढक. कुंती के पुत्र कौंतेय. सेम अंजना आंजनेय. युधिष्ठिर आदि आर ऑल कौंतेय. अर्जुन इज आल्सो कौंतेय. माद्री के पुत्र माद्रेय. नकुल सहादेव. राधा का राधायाः अपत्यम राधे. Radheya. So here
It's used for
Karna, because Karna's foster mother's name was Radha, no? Radha and that Athirathi. Correct, Athiratha, right? Or Athirathi, I think. Athirathi, those two, they were foster parents of Karna. And this Madri ke putra Madreyau. Why have they given Madreyau?
दो पुत्र हैं इसलिए.
Correct.
द्विवचन.
Correct. Nakula and Sahadeva. And Radha, Radheya, Karna. Draupadi, Draupadeya, Draupadeyaha or Draupadeyaha. Bahuvachana.
5.
And Gangayaha, Gangeya,
Bhishma.
Vinata, Vinataka, Vinatayaha, Vainateyaha. Bhagavan will tell in 10th chapter, right? Vainateyascha. Garuda.
Here also 2 putras, right? But यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक ही दिया है.
But if there is only one, that is to refer to both, we say Madreya. If you only want to refer to one of the children, then it is. So this.
So Vishnu ji ka vahan, you will say Vainateya.
Vainateya, because Vainateya is Vinata's putra, Garuda. So this is all for Apatyam. This entire family is for Apatyam. There are a couple of sutras in the middle that are not been mentioned, like the Gotra sutras. Those also will follow the Apatyam family. I think this Ditya, maybe this had come in Brihadaranyaka during the 2nd chapter, or I feel somewhere else it had come for Gargya or Prajapatya. Maybe for Prajapatya it came somewhere, or Aditya. Could have come for anything. All of these are Ditya Patyuttara Padhanyaha. So Apatyam family, 4 sutras are enough for us to keep track. Kopi prashnaha or ka api prashnaha, you have to say. Astu.
Can we go over the 4 pratyayas please once?
Hanji. So first is an pratyaya. An pratyaya tasyapatyam. Second was ata pratyaya ata where ikara will get added. So in an, akara just Vasudeva. Simple. And if it is ending in ukara, then you will put haya vaiva and make it ava. So Pandu, Pandava. And in ata and this here the important thing is here also there is a strilinga, but the strilinga is for the putri. Like Vishnoho putri is Vaishnavi and Vishnoho putra is Vaishnava. But Vishnu only is there both. Both are Vishnu. So that Pullinga is kept, so it is Tasyapatyam. Ata mein abhi Pullinga, Dasharatha, or Strilinga Sumitra. But the point here is, at the end, Ikara will get added through pratyaya. Third pratyaya, Ya pratyaya. Ya pratyaya, Ditya Patyutra Padan Yaha. There, the end mein it will become ya. So the common theme of all of these are Prathama Akshara Vriddhi. That is common. Antima Akshara mein what happens is each pratyaya is ruled. So the Aditi, Daitya. Aditi, Aditya. Prajapati, Prajapatya. Garga, Gargya. Vatsa, Vatsya. Vriddhi is happening and in the end Yakara will get added for ya. And Stribhyo Dhak. Stribhyo Dhak is sort of like Tasyapatyam only. But Tasyapatyam mein, the first one generally is a Pullinga. What if it is a Strilinga? What if you want to say this mother's son? Then you will say Stribhyo Dhak Pratyaya. The Sutra. Striling Shabda. So Kunti, Madri, Radha, Anjana, Draupadi, Ganga, Vinata, etc.
Kaushalya.
Kaushalya. And then you will have to do Vriddhi of Au, which will be only. So Kaushalya, you can say.
Okay. 4 pratyayas. Thank you.
So there is one more sutra, Akarshi. I remember with Dhak Pratyaya. I think I don't know whether we have seen this. Agner Dhak also comes, right? Similar to the Pyo Dhak.
I have to check.
I remember seeing somewhere.
Sa asya devata asmin arthe Agni Shabdat Dhak Pratyaya. Agni Eya. So Agni will get this. But see, when it is specifically like this, right, Agneya Dhak and all, then it is for that specific shabda, like how we had seen in some others also, right? Like two dhatus, that Sriji Drishor Jalya Makiti. There is one Sriji only for Sriji Dhatu and Drish Dhatu, there is a sutra. Sriji Drishor. This one. Only for these. So like that, there will be many sutras where only one word is relevant. So that the Agneya Dhak seems to be like that, only for Agni. There also Dhak Pratyaya is coming. That is, Dhak is happening. Dhak Pratyaya is coming there. So same, na? Agneya. But the thing is, Agni is not Strilinga. That is probably why it is separated.
So the thing is that if Dhak Pratyaya can come with Agni and then can also come for the children of Stri, like that. So my question is, then there would be for each Pratyaya, therefore there is a possibility of multiple application areas, right, in that case?
If there are specific sutras for each.
Okay.
When an application is necessary, a sutra will be there, like this Apvada Sutra or some extension sutra. If not, then no. When analyzing Vyakaranam, we follow that one. So if Pani Maharishi has given a sutra, then yes. No. Or whatever, Vartika has something, then yes.
So was the question, why is Dhak Pratyaya given as Striyo Dhak, whereas it is also applying to Pullinga Shabdas like Agni ke saath bhi apply ho raha hai? Was that the question?
Yeah, the question was Agneya Dhak is also there, right? There Dhak Pratyaya is also happening to Agni. So why we are saying only Stribhyo Dhak? Correct. Not Pullinga Shabdas like Agni. It is applying to Agni. That's all.
Okay.
If there were some other Pullinga Shabdas applying to it, then the sutra will say something like Agni He Suryo Dhak or something. But it doesn't. The sutra says Agneya Dhak. It is applying to Agni. If at all there is something else.
Exception to this.
Correct. Agni is an exception or a addition or something. It is. See, to be honest, even in all these sutras, right? See, everywhere they have given. Twice I think they gave. Kuch shabdon ko chhodkar. In some places it won't work. And in some other places it will work. So we are reliant on the framework of Ashtadhyayi to help us determine where it doesn't work, where it should work, and where it does work, where it shouldn't work. That framework we are reliant on. That for those rules we are reliant on Ashtadhyayi.
So for any niyamas, the 80-20 thing will still apply. There will always be some which will not strictly fall under the
far more than 80-20. More like 90-95 plus. More like. Okay. Any other question? This abhyasa also will be pretty easy only tomorrow. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shantihi 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakato Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavadvyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha Om Shantihi 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 Om